Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix GIF not working in WhatsApp. So many users were complaining that their GIFs are not working in WhatsApp. So if you are also going through this kind of issue, just follow the steps one by one. So the very first method that I suggest is to restart your device once. So for that, simply press the power plus volume up button and now select restart option. So once your device restarts, now check if the GIFs are working or not. If not, next solution is to check internet connectivity. So the thing that you need to confirm is to check your internet connection if it is stable or not. If you are using mobile data, then go for Wi-Fi and do vice versa. Internet is very important to get load the WhatsApp GIFs. So if you are facing any kind of issues on internet connectivity, so make sure you have a strong internet and then check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to relaunch WhatsApp. So in that case, what you need to do is simply need to click on the three line over here, and from here you need to simply swipe up and close every app that is running in the background along with WhatsApp, and after that again launch and check if GIFs are working or not. If not, next is to force stop WhatsApp. So for that you simply need to click on the WhatsApp icon over here, then click on app info. After that, here you can see force stop, simply click on it and then click on OK. So after doing this method, check if GIFs are working or not. If not, you need to clear the cache of WhatsApp. So for that, click on storage and cache option over here and then click on clear cache option. After this, check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, go back, and here you need to check for permissions over here. So you should allow all the permissions that is required, and after that click on allow and then check if the GIFs are working or not. If not, then you should check if the WhatsApp needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and here you should check if there is any update available. So in my case, an update is there. You need to simply click on update option, and after your app is updated, now check if GIFs are working or not. Apart from this, you should also check whether your phone needs any OS update. For that, go to settings, then go below and then click on system update, and after that here you should check if any update is available for your phone. If yes, then update your device OS, and after that check if the GIFs are working or not. If the problem continues, then you are suggested to uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. So what you need to do is simply hold the app icon, then click on app info, and here you can see uninstall option. You simply need to click on it, and after that your app will be removed. Once done, now go to Google Play Store and again reinstall the app and then check if GIFs are working or not. If you still face the problem, then it's time to contact WhatsApp support. So when nothing goes your way, then it's better to take help from the customer service and seek a professional help. So generally they provide a troubleshooting options, or otherwise they will try to resolve the problem from their side, and hopefully you can further use the GIFs on WhatsApp. So I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest update. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.